get my screen together, man. Hold up. FXBros, we're about to go over these Australian dollar charts right quick for the one time. Let me get my charts up right quick so y'all can see what we're looking at. Send my link out to the guys so everybody could tap in. Bet. Alright, we live, so welcome back to another FXBros live weekly analysis for the pair that we always trade each and every day if there's a setup. And in a second, I'm gonna pull up Oanda. I gotta log in right quick. So as you can see though, currently we are in a downtrend stemming from, I want to say Thursday night or Friday. So let's start everything out with the daily. Let's make sure this is what we're looking at. Yes. All right, we're gonna zoom in a little bit better. Yeah, broke that low. Heading to these lows, so we probably most likely definitely got continuation of sales down to 71.67. Basically this low. Yeah, 71.65. So let's get Oanda logged in right quick. Let's see. Get Oanda logged in right quick, man. Let's see. We got the hourly up. Bet. Let's load up these Oanda charts. Let me share that screen right quick so y'all can see pretty much what we've been looking at visually. Bam. Look at the hourly showing the same kind of moves as the daily, so we could definitely mark that low on a daily right here. So let's see. Let's take this one, duplicate it. 65, 66, whatever. Right now, we are currently trading at, what we at? Let's get down to the hourly time frame. 72.09 to 72.60. That's a nice 40 pips. The possibility of it continuing on this hour down move, I'm not sure if it's gonna continue like that. So we have to look on the smaller time frame to see if we see any signs of reversal. And right now it is Bloody Mary on every time frame. Yeah, man. Nowhere to enter right now. I mean, I guess you could wait and see what this 1 minute gonna do. See if it say I have to take out this area and potentially it had, yeah, 7215. But if we continue down, that could be an entry. But I mean, that's the 1 minute. You know, can't look for setups and strategies like that. You gotta see a larger time frame showing signs, and it's not looking good. Definitely for an easy entry, it's not looking good. Let me look up and pull up the news right quick. Let's see. Let's pull up the news right quick on my FX book. Log into this. And we're gonna see what we got going on this week. I guess I can share this too, so y'all can see what we looking at right now. Share a Chrome tab. Bam. Bro, is something wrong or something? I'm about to say. So we got news. Look like things getting back to normal. We got news on Tuesday, early in the morning. A lot of news, USA. They coming back heavy. This last week, end of the week, it was really shit. The whole week was really not a lot of news events. Got the continuing of the jobless claims. Heavy Australian news in the evening on Tuesday. All U.S. news in the morning on Thursday. Got one piece of news coming out on Wednesday, and on Friday. I'm showing Sunday next week. Yeah, we got two pieces of news. No, 3 in the morning on Friday. So it's gonna be a heavy week. Stuff shit about to shake up. So with all that volatility that's about to come into the market, we can either expect this downtrend to continue or for a price to potentially turn around and fill all this clean traffic that's developing on this daily time frame. But like I said, we won't know that till probably like Monday, Tuesday. Scully. Let me tap you in right quick. Yeah, I don't know why this shit. Bro, why this thing won't. There we go.
What's up? What's up,
What's up, man?
man? Everything, bro. Everything is up.
Nah, that's what's up, man. That's good. That's good to hear.
Um, Everything is up.
That's good to hear.
Things are things are looking good. Crazy. Open up the markets. Got into a quick sale. Took profit like 10, 15 minutes ago. Uh,
Nice. Well, you got in at what
I got
time?
in at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Oh yeah, easy money,
Oh, um,
easy money. Yeah, that was a good entry on the hourly with it taking out that recent low.
yes.
Yeah, that was a good entry. Yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback, man. Like I said, the only entry I was seeing was on the 1 minute time frame.
Okay.
And that's reaching.
Right.
And I'm not
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to
One minute, yeah, on a Sunday, looking for
man.
entries. But um, as you can see, it filled the wick on the 4 hour to the left.
Let me see. Let me pull that up right quick.
Well, I ain't gonna say it filled the wick. Like it didn't close yet. We are in this 8 hour, 8 o'clock, 4 hour candle.
Uh-huh.
So um, yeah, it can definitely.
Yeah, 4 hour. Everything is bearish.
Oh yes.
It's like that's why I said I had to go down to the 1 minute to see any type of reversal potentially happening. But yeah, you pull up every time frame. As I said, it's Bloody Mary, dog. Like
Hmm.
we got a lot of news coming out this week, so
Okay.
hopefully that volatility will possibly fill all that downtrend clean traffic on the 4 hour and the daily,
All right.
or we continue down. Cause I got a next level to take profit down here at 71.65, 66 in that area. But that's
Off
it
of wait
on the
7160.
daily. 71.65 on the daily. It should be
Oh,
showing on the screen right now. That blue line.
okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I had it at 71.85, 86.
Probably right at the body of them lows,
Yes,
possibly.
right at the bottom of the lows.
Right, right.
And what that is the same. To be honest, I would put it at 71.80 on the 4 hour.
Let me see.
I'll sit it right there. All that consolidation to the left right there. Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
So that could be like the next um, take profit or reversal area, or it can do its thing right now, honestly, because just that area from
Yeah,
the
that
bottom of
four-hour
that
looking
wick,
suspect.
72.10 to
Hmm.
71.80,
Hmm.
that's an area where it can reject and turn back around. And if it does, we you can get caught in some nice ranges to catch reversal trades on that. But like you said, overall it's like
Yeah,
it's a
it's
bullish
bullish.
market, man. It is
And it's
bullish.
been that way since, what was it, shit, I could easily say in the morning on the 21st. That was Thursday. Yep, I guessed it. Thursday and Friday, man. Took out the whole week.
And I was, if we go back and look at that from last week
Great
analysis,
entries at 9 o'clock in the morning.
right? We look at next week. I mean, last week at those analysis and the bias that we had looking at sales. That's what, like I said, like overall,
Right,
I saw those sales happening more than buys, and we caught buys
right.
in the beginning of the week, but Wednesday all the way, to the end of the week, it was just amazing, bro. Like it was, bro. Like
And that's why I
when
said
I
I didn't catch none of that. Nigga. I caught early week trades. I was
yes,
so busy, but I saw it fall though.
right.
I'm
But
trying to add ant in this.
what's good is um that's gonna happen. Like you're gonna, right now it's gonna happen. I don't see this happening, in the future. But
What's happening, boys?
What's up with it?
what's up, brother?
Nothing much, nothing much.
Yeah, baby. But yeah, man, just talking about this bullish market, how things kind of worked out, how we was talking about these sales last week, and you can see how everything played out. Like I still have
Man.
two testers on,
Well, how many
and
pips you got?
I'm about to tell you, bro. It's like
Oh man,
and I'm gonna show
and
you
how
how
running?
I'm
It's
gonna show
gotta
you
be.
how in between these testers, I was just going in heavy, stinging them like for the day. So
Oh,
one, my first tester is at 226 pips.
come on. Well, you got in on that Thursday
See,
morning?
So I entered that
yeah, stop
trade.
playing.
Yeah, bro. I entered that. Let's see, that area was 74.35.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So that was
You got in
that break.
early. Like I see
Yeah,
where you got in. You got in when it broke that wick.
15-minute. Yeah, that was a
Yeah,
15-minute entry.
nice.
Uh, yeah, once it broke and closed on that on a 15-minute, because I saw that it was doing on the hourly, like how you have that shut up right now.
And then break no highs above
Didn't
there.
break
Like
any
this,
highs.
these
I had
little
my
wick
stops.
ups then didn't do nothing. It probably you had maybe like a 2 pip drawdown, if that,
Yeah.
and it just left and
Yes.
never came back.
Yeah, and that was on my tester. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, let me go in a little bit heavier, and I went in like, you know me, bro.
Yeah, I already know. I mean, bro, from this drop, and you got all this range to potentially like once it kind of did this little tricky shit, like it showed signs of consolidation, which also lined up right here, but it didn't do it at the bottom. It
Right.
did it above, so it had more area to hit, like all these lows down here. And once it broke that and left, like, yeah, you was in that for a whole lot of confirmations you had for that sale.
Yeah. And then when I thought it was like, oh, okay, let me see if if it may turn around. Um, I got back in on another tester, and that one at 152 pips right now.
Come on, man, stop
So
playing
it
with that
was,
boy. Wait till them testers be 10,000 units
yes,
or
bro.
Exactly.
20,000
Yeah.
units when the
Yes,
tester is that,
yes,
and you just scooping up an extra $300,
yep. On,
$500
on the back end.
on the back end.
So, yeah, man, like this, that week was it was crazy.
Nah, for real, bro.
It was crazy nice, but I can't let that, those trades they come to you. They don't happen all the time. So when they do happen, you just gotta, you know,
Hmm.
kind of be ready for them. And if you miss them, like we was talking about earlier, that's okay. The thing is miss those trades. Don't try and, you know, um,
What they call
you know,
FOMO, fear of
FOMO.
missing
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
Don't
Don't
jump
worry
into the
about it.
move.
Yeah, don't jump into something that you unsure about. Um,
Mhm.
because that's gonna happen. But
And
like
then
I
you
said,
gotta
over
like you
time.
always gotta look at it. This is how I look at missed trades because most of the time, if I miss a trade, it's typically because it's moving fast as fuck and I can't find a good entry. Kind of, I mean, this didn't move too fast, but in that morning on Thursday, these hours right here, these big candles, like yeah, if you ain't catch none of them, you would have been like, oh damn, let me get into a sale down here, and you probably would have got scared. But nonetheless, a heavy move down there ain't nothing but clean traffic for price to fill if it want to turn around. So if you
Correct.
miss it, it's just you just wait for the your chance to come up and it's gonna trade back up into that, which it didn't do that. But you got to look at this like this is a rubber band getting pulled back real far. When they let go, it's gonna take off just damn near either 50% or just as much as it dropped. It's gonna retrace back up before it continue down for its further drop. Like if you looked on like the weekly time frame,
Hmm.
you know. But yeah, if we break these lows right here, like yeah, it's over with, man. It might break the low of the year.
And that's what I'm looking at.
Like real talk. It might break that, which is the big double bottom from
Yeah.
last year to the beginning of this year.
So yeah, we definitely
It's a lot of strength right there. And even from right here, man. This is like real strength right here. So if it's trying to attack that, we gonna see what happens.
the last time we was this low was March, man. It was like
Yup,
March 14th, 15th. So it's like
yup.
Come on, man. Come on.
And I mean, you looking at the weekly, like it's showing you like these people had stop losses above here, trying to catch sales. If you still was holding and you thought you was gonna catch the bounce right here, and a lot of people took sales right here because they saw it how it sold off right here. You take sales, and what they do, they push through everybody's stop loss.
Yeah.
And then
Ran them
when
up out
people
of
go
it.
into buys, they like, oh, the market going up. They go into buys, and they turn around and go in a direction they already had envisioned in the first place.
Mm.
Hmm.
So then it's on a weekly. So it took out a whole lot of orders just to keep pushing down on this bearish trend, and it's done on a weekly. So that's some power. So it might continue on all the way down. It got enough strength to.
Yeah. So what we would look for right now is a is a retest. If you look on the 4 hour, uh, 4 hour or 1 hour, you have that area that it can retest up to 72, um, 72.55 to 72.30,
Okay, right up in here.
right up in there in that area. Um, that it can retest to come up to that area, turn back around, and continue dropping. Um,
Yep. That's
but
the best trade setup.
that'll be a best trade to set up. If it breaks above that area and closes, don't look into buys. I would wait until it closes above that wick, which is the top part of that is like that 72.65 area
Hmm.
to catch buys because that's clean traffic. You can see those two candles, yes, right there. And from there, what's that? 72.65
To
to
73 flat
to
up in there.
73 flat. That's like what? How many pips is that? Like
35.
that's 30. Yeah, that's 30 pips easy
So you can
that you can
catch a
probably
nice
you can catch
20
that.
for show 10.
Yes. And the
Hmm.
way that it's moving, I can easily see it doing that. So I'll put a I have to move all my other trend lines I had from last week. It broke through all that and said
Nah,
bye.
facts. Look at my shit up here, nigga. I had all kind of lines up here, nigga. Broke through all that.
So yeah, right now I'm moving I'm moving a buy line right there with breaks and close above that on the 1 hour. Then I get into those buys.
Hmm.
Let's see what else. Um, I mean, other than that, it breaks above. I don't know. Only thing that really looks good other than that, as far as like buys, would be, and it's a humongous range, but 73.80 on the 1 hour. And let me know what you think.
73.80.
73.80, like way up there to
Oh
get.
yeah, yeah.
So that's another area that I would look into next. So like let's say if you do catch this buy that we talked about at the bottom at
Hmm.
72.65, get into that low margin, and as it goes up higher, start adding to it because it's once it breaks above that area, then it's really gonna
The
you
next
know,
level it might catch some situation around that 73,
yes,
73.10
yes.
up in
So
here.
secure your your 10 because you're going to get that. That's a 30 pip range. Secure that 10. That's easy. You're going to get that. But
Hmm.
that can almost run and correct this move that it did. This will be the end of the month too. This last week, so
Oh, that's a good thing to point out.
you got
So we could look at the weekly for sure
yes,
and see if this is gonna be the last weekly candle. What would you expect it to look like a wick, and then bullish, making a bullish pin bar, or another bearish candle just like I did the previous week.
I would
Yeah.
say a bullish pin bar.
So
I think it's
continue
gonna.
down probably to this blue line to test all these lows just like how these wicks did,
Yep.
and then go back up and close bullish
Yep.
as a pin bar, and then maybe that's the turnaround signal you looking for.
Yeah.
So on the daily, that would look like another bearish candle down here, maybe another one up for like Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, and then Thursday come right back down. And then you could either Thursday, it could continue up like you said and close above here to create that bullish pin bar, or Friday. Because we do have, like I said, we got a lot of news, so it's gonna be volatile. If anything's gonna happen, it definitely can happen this week. That's why it flowed so good last week, because there wasn't a lot of news events last week.
Yeah. It was.
That was just straight price action.
Yeah, man.
Perfect for the swing traders.
Hmm.
And the volatility is perfect for the scalpers. Yeah, that bitch is dropping.
Yeah.
Man, that
Oh,
bitch already passed 72 flat. That's a prime number. All these key numbers 72, 73, 74.
yeah. So I could definitely.
It's running through that.
Should you think it should hit that 71, 60, 63 area on the 4 hour?
Yeah, I mean,
Because
that's
if
why
it
I got
breaks,
that blue line at.
yeah, if it breaks through that, then
Yeah, it's over with. But like I said, I need some kind of pullback, man. I'm not about to just jump in because every time I jump in, I get my throat cut
yeah,
immediately. Like for real, bro.
yeah. This is
It's
like,
best to look at the smaller time frames to see signs. Like look at that 1 minute. Come on, bro.
yeah,
Like they
uh-uh.
not playing.
Yeah. This is.
Look, look,
Oh my
look.
God.
Come
Yeah.
on,
This is.
man.
This is continuous.
They not playing, bruh.
Yeah. I should have secured 10.
Oh my god, it's just going through shit.
Sheesh.
5 pips a move. It's like it's glitching.
Yeah,
Damn, Australia
it's
must have.
jump. It's jumping towards something.
It's coming down here, right
Yeah.
here.
It's gonna reject
What's
hard
that? You
too.
said 72. What is that? 72,
71,
60,
66.
71,
71.
66.
But it's
Yeah.
like a zone. It's anywhere from 71.65 to
To
I don't know.
71.60.
Yeah, you have to look at it on the 4 hour. You can see it, but then that bitch is not playing. Hold up.
Okay, see, I got one for 71.80.
71.80. Let's see.
It's good. It's jumping. Oh no. Okay.
What time frame for that 71.80?
What was I on? I was looking at
Oh,
the
okay.
hour.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
71.80.
can
That's
see. I
it.
like that. I like that. Yeah.
That's why I said it's really 71.80 to 71.65.
Yes.
That whole little range is where it's going.
71.65.
Yeah. Like if you look on the 4 hour,
71.80 is a good take profit
yeah,
if you're in the
71.
sell.
Yeah, 71.80 is going to hit that.
No, facts. Like it has to. Like, why
Yeah.
did you come all the way down here and didn't knock
Right.
on the door? Like, you don't walk to nobody's house and be like, "Nah, I'm not gonna go there.
Yeah,
Right.
we good.
We
Yeah,
good."
I changed my mind.
Right, right. Nah, you gotta know. You gotta know. You already told them you was coming over.
Yeah. I see, Ant, bro. You gonna be a savage dog because you already getting the zones. Like I didn't
Uh huh.
understand that until like years. So yeah, that was like pinpoint perfect, bro. Like
Bro, I've been over here dying when I've been watching these videos. I've been like rewatching videos like 10
Facts.
times.
yes, yes.
Nah, that's what's
But
up.
I think what'll really help also is once we kind of clear our kind of just change our schedule as far as like doing this more full time, we can actually trade
Yes. And be more
physically,
focused. Yeah,
eh,
looking at it.
and yeah, we can really do this in the physical and kind of make these trades together, and that'll just build your confidence for sure. You know, to
Hmm.
where you can make those things happen. You know, on your own, still be able to communicate with us, but you know, you'll be comfortable enough to catch that move because I know you was up and you saw it dropping. You
Boy,
know, but
You got in,
you
Ant?
I just didn't pull no triggers. I
yeah.
just
Oh,
I was just
okay, okay,
I didn't
okay.
pull
That's
no
cool.
triggers. That's all
But
it
that's
was.
smart.
That's
That is
cool.
smart though. That
That's
is
cool.
really really smart. Like nothing's wrong with that.
Like the best if I had to say like things I wish somebody told me when I started.
Yeah,
If you had to focus on something like outside of what we kind of talk on a lot as far as like strategies and entries and exits,
yeah.
uh risk management and uh and just your consistency like Mark Douglas, how he talk about consistency.
That dude, boy,
But risk management, if you understand the concept of risk management, and
Hmm.
risk management is not sexy, is not beautiful when you got a small account size. But when you got
mm,
Right.
something in the 10, 15, 20,000 as a starting point, then you could understand the concept and it'd be like, oh, okay, like how them niggas be talking about risk, a smaller size of your account.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
the only reason they say that because like if you ever get into a point to where you lose 5 trades in a row, and not saying you're gonna take 5 trades in one day, but like maybe over the course of 2 or 3 days, you just been having losing days. Like
Hmm.
you still won't blow your account and you'll still have enough because when you do catch that winner, it's gonna eat up all them losses you took
And
because
push
your
you
losses
above it.
gonna be consistent. You're not gonna have like 30 pip losses, then 100 pip losses, then a 150 just because you can't get out the trade. Like fuck that shit, nigga. Just exit because the more you let that bitch go against you, the more you missing out on an opportunity to get back into a better position.
yes,
Right.
Because if
Okay.
you in a
Okay.
sell and a trade going against you, it's going up. If you get out of your trade fast enough, you could get back into another sell at a higher position if your bias is still true.
yeah,
Right.
That's why it's like, yeah, man, don't get caught up into that. Oh man, it's gonna turn back around. I wanted to go green. That that sometimes will occur because we human. Everybody still do it. You be in drawdown, but if you have a consistent stop loss type set, and once you get comfortable with the markets, especially your time frame that you trade mostly on or you enter on, you'll know what's a comfortable level to set a stop loss and what's comfortable on your risk management, like what you willing to lose every trade. That's
Right.
nah,
That's
for
why I'm
real.
trying to
That
stack
shit
this
is
bread
so
up,
fucking
yo.
important, bro. I'm like that shit is like fuck the strategy, fuck the that shit
Hmm.
easy. The risk management, that's the hardest thing. Like if you focus on that, you gonna be cold. Like
yeah,
I swear. Like I wish somebody would have like told like, yeah, fuck all the strategy shit. There's millions of strategies. All them hoes work. Every strategy works because
Right.
you just gotta find one that fits your personality. But yeah, that's the most important thing, bro.
Gotcha. I got you.
Not real talk. That's why I'm so adamant just running up this bread, stacking it.
Yep.
That shit
That's the
stacking up
same
fast,
thing.
nigga.
I thought we was about to go on strike. They ended up voting against it. We ended up still continuing work. So
Damn, for real.
yeah, money going. Money just went up. They dropping bonuses and adding more money. So I'm excited about that. So man,
So what the strike was about? Because people wanted more money.
yeah, hell yeah, man. They
man,
man.
I
Let me
man,
was
tell you,
about to say, like, what you
yo,
mean?
we been
Because
working
Lockheed already don't pay poor, like they pay pretty
right.
good.
Okay, so right, hey, that's why I said we making more money than these other companies. Not gonna lie
Facts,
to
man.
you.
Y'all selling
Not gonna lie
planes
to
to
you.
Russia and Ukraine right now.
These jets is $1 million per jet, and we making 200 a year.
Ooh.
The money that they made off us during the pandemic was over like 7 billion, just during the pandemic.
Come on, man.
So we was like, okay, we see what y'all giving us. Thank you. But that's not enough, bro. We was there every
And they
single
said we not
day.
coming to work until I
We
get my raise. Damn.
yes,
They
boy.
probably trying to stack up their money so they could throw it in their forex account.
Bruh.
mm,
Look,
There
They
you
trying to
go.
beat me to it. The COO and CEOs and all them, they making 50
Either that
million
or they
a
throwing that
year
shit in
in
Bitcoin.
abundance.
Yeah, man. Juice as
China
much as
Crazy.
you can
Yeah.
out of
Oh
them.
yeah.
That's what's up. That's good,
They gonna
y'all.
give me all that
That's
free
good. The
money.
income is increasing. That's all
Yes,
that's
sir. Oh
important.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Cause sooner or later you will be able to make way more income that Lockheed could ever pay you.
Exactly.
Man, I'm gonna end up
Damn, it
making
is
money
really
off of
about to hit this hole. Like I'm just looking at it. Like I'm on a 4 hour.
it. Mm-hmm.
We are like 25 pips away.
Yeah,
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, it's gonna run this. Eee.
I'm going for 100 from the field this week. I'm
Come
shooting
on,
for 100%.
come on, man. Check your my FX book. They gonna
Why
show all your
not? You know what I'm
percentages.
saying? Yep.
85. Damn, I'm kind of tempted to get in.
I mean, what
Cause
where
the
is it
full.
from that? How far is it from that target?
I mean, if I got in at 71.85, that's like at least 20 pips to the low. So it's like a scalp trade. But I'm gonna see what this 5 minute and 15 minute close like. We got 3 minutes left. It is
Dang,
not my
boy.
ideal entry though. This is like I'm really not gonna do it because
Bro, Australia must have
this is
sold some bad weed or something, bro. Cause this shit
uh,
is it's been since 420, bro. Like they had to sell a bad
he
bag
said
of
it been since
something, bro.
420.
I'm just looking at, like you said, I'm on the 4 hour and I'm looking at it and it's just like, bruh,
Yes.
Yeah.
they sold that Huckabee.
Yeah.
They sold the Huckabee. It had to, man.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is crazy.
But
Oh,
it's not if you look to the left, and that's why like these sales were like so easy. Because if you look to the left on the 4 hour, like from last week, I was
right.
like, it's gone. Once it closes below that, it's going all the way down. And look what happened.
Yeah.
Like
Easy money.
once it passed
Shit.
up
Think
that
about the
area,
people that got into a sale on the 18th. That what that was. That was last week too, huh?
the wait on the
Yeah.
18th.
Yeah, that was Monday.
If they just sat and rode it for the week,
No, you ain't gonna sit and ride that because
But
you would have got
you would have.
knocked
But
out
I'm
because the
saying a
you
market.
lot
got
of
knocked
niggas
out.
probably tried to ride that wave and had a shitload of drawdown.
And you know
Yeah.
why
Okay, I
they
see. I
messed
see.
up on that?
Why? Because I mean, you see what I'm looking at. I'm like, this 4 hour candle dipping into these lows over here
Mm-hmm.
early on Monday. That's like, well, it's like dumb early. It's like really Sunday, Monday, going into Sunday, Monday. Like
Exactly. That's why.
that's why.
Cause look, no, look what happened. See, on Friday, I mean, what's that? Yeah, on Sunday, you saw how it retested and started coming up. So now what it would have to do is break below those wicks that it created right there, 73.50. And that candle didn't break below that. You see that on the 4 hour?
Yeah. Well, I'm looking at it on a 1 hour, but I see what I see what you're
Yeah,
talking about though. I see
yeah.
exactly what you're talking about.
Which yeah, that's what you always got to do. If you think it's like look at the lower time frame, it's gonna show you what it really want to do. Oh
Facts,
my gosh, this is really dropping, boy.
bro.
Like
That's what I'm
they really
saying.
want to do it right now.
Yeah, they want to do it right now. They want to do that shit right now, but they
I
they
mean,
they tricking niggas into this shit. Boy, I know it's buku niggas that bought this whole thinking, oh, it's the bottom.
We about to. That's it.
We going up.
like how? Like what bottom? Like how?
Right. They
Nah, bro,
knocked the
I'm telling
bottom
you,
out
like
them.
a
They
lot
knocked
of
the
people be
bottom out.
thinking, like you gotta realize, bro, like YouTube is like so heavy for like information for forex for beginners,
Yeah.
and there's so many people teaching people about big moves to the downside will turn around and create big moves to the upside, which is in some way true, but
Not
they be
always.
showing these niggas how to find reversal setups on a 5 minute and 1 minute. And yeah, they see any type of candlestick pattern on that time frame, they go hop into a buy
Yeah, that is so crazy. Like, if you see,
just to say they got the bottom.
yeah, I mean, but how many times you will have to get stopped out to really get get the bottom, which is why, like what Six said, the whole money management thing is super important. Like, if you on top of that, then yeah, you know, like those first couple of trades, I just put in 1 unit testers just to see where that'll be the same thing as like having a zone. I mean, a trend line. It'll just be a trade though. That's in. So I
Hmm.
can really see how far I'm going in drawdown if I would have went in heavy or something like that.
Right.
But finding the top and the bottom, that's
You don't even
nonsense.
you don't
That
even
is
want to do that
nonsense.
shit. You want to wait for lows to get breaking or highs to be breaking.
Yep. And
That's the
look for
only
clean
thing you want
traffic.
to
Look for price to be filled. You don't want to catch the price. You know what I'm saying? When dudes be catching them big old tsunami waves, they don't sit in the water and wait for the wave to come.
Yeah, nah. They go to them motherfucker
They go to it.
every
They
time, bro,
see it
because they
forming and
see it.
they,
Yep.
yes,
And they they go to it, and they be
and
like,
jump
"Oh,
out
he
there.
caught the wave."
Yeah,
facts.
Yeah.
you just sit in the water. That's how you end up dying. You just sit in the water and wait till the wave come in and engulf you.
Facts, and that's when you get eaten by the damn shark
Yeah.
because you was
Hmm.
sitting like a duck. And you be like, damn, I'm in the wrong ocean. I need to go back to the kiddie pool.
Hmm. Yeah, boy, that last week was so nice. I'm thinking about going to Miami.
Come on, man. This nigga not
I was like,
playing.
no, we ain't got to do that. Like last week, I was like, man, that would be cool. You know what I'm saying? But now is not the time to be, you know, dropping that bag on some knowledge that we already know.
Bruh, man, that trip was just gonna be to be like fucking with niggas that think like we think.
Right,
Real talk. Just to meet like-minded people. My intentions was not going there to learn a new strategy or finally learn support and resistance. Like, nah, nigga. I'm not trying to buy no programs. I'm just trying to rap. Like, what you think about the markets? How long you been, just niggas that understand what you talking about.
right.
But yeah, I don't even like you said. I don't think old boy gonna be there.
Yeah, bro. I think it's a cap event.
I know well all them niggas cap. And I'm sorry I had to say it like that online. but but it's like I'm not saying like they cap as far as like traders. Like I'm not taking that away from like those niggas traders, but that ain't the only thing they do.
Hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's like yeah, they put on trades and they show all the winners. They never showing mistakes and losses for the most part. Like real nigga shit. Just enough to say I did it. Look, I showed a loss. But nah, man, it's a lot of marketing going to that shit, and that's what's gonna get the people out. Not talking about the actual industry. It's marketing, and like you said, man, it could be a lot of fluff, but like I said, I just wanted to be around other traders and shit. But that might be something we have to put together in the future
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
and make it more official to where it's like not nothing like we've seen before. Like not a big connect conference.
Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's in Shanghai or something somewhere.
Ooh, them niggas like you get a Lamborghini, you get a Lamborghini, you get a Bentley. We running it up off these niggas in America. Real talk.
Oh man. Oh boy, it's gonna hit that taper.
Yeah. No, it hit already. It hit.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah.
did hit. It did
Yeah.
hit. Nigga, it hit
It's on there.
7180.
Yeah, it's on there.
Yeah, it's done. It's in the
Hmm.
zone. Take profits, baby.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now see, now
And I'm
let's
looking at
see.
it on the 4 hour.
Me too, and that's crazy.
And oh, it still want to go a little bit.
Yeah, it's whoo. Let me see, bro. This shit crazy.
It's gonna turn around, man. I think it's gonna respect that area.
Look at all this clean traffic on the 5 minute. That's crazy. I'm saying that though. That shit just did a piano roll down.
Bro, that's a slip and slide right there. They just
No,
Mm,
jumped.
for
They
mm,
real.
just
Like
jumped and sat and just was
mm, mm.
wee.
that's like, yeah, that's crazy.
15 minute look the same on it.
But you gotta. I need a pullback. This is ridiculous, boy. This hourly said I'm done.
That's big business right there.
That's just a continuation from what it did last week. It's just simple as that. No news. Markets open, and I think about the testers that I got holding. You think dudes ain't? It's like six
I know
said. They
there's a
probably,
lot of people that ain't caught that move.
yeah, holding on it. So
Holding, put the house on it.
put the house on it.
Really, right here, like you on Friday. That was the yeah. That was Good Friday.
Mm.
Like for real, cause it broke all this potential. I'm trying to make something happen, but I'm gonna fake y'all niggas out and continue higher. Once it broke that, it's buy, and that's 73.46, 72. Son of a bitch. It's like 170, 180 pips right there. But you got in up here. That's why you had that 200 burner.
Yeah, I just wanted to touch that area right quick.
Mhm. Mhm, mhm. That was a good take profit you called out, Ant. That bitch
Yes.
tapped right into that hole and left.
Yeah. I'm
Nah,
saying, give me a little
appreciate
bit.
it. Nah, for real.
Wow, that was perfect, bro. You
The niggas
spotted
that
that.
was waiting for that full move down to 71.70 or 71.65, like you hurting that you didn't take profit at 71.80.
Yep.
Man.
Cause it's going all the way back up. You like, damn.
That was
Mm-hmm.
perfect.
Cause
That
it
was
would
perfect.
it snatched just what is that? About 71, 75, 71, 74. So you got your 71.80, and then it was
Yeah,
see y'all
for
later. Yeah.
real. Yeah, I need to see something. I'll probably be looking for some entries on Monday morning, tomorrow morning. Like I said, we got a lot of news. I think we got news. No, we don't have no news on Monday. It's Tuesday through Friday we got news.
Okay.
Yeah. Unless if they try to throw some last minute shit
I was
on
just about to say that. I still check. I'm going to still check.
Cause they be doing that shit, boy. Cole, what that nigga name? Powell would do a speech real quick. He just call up his administrator. Yeah, I want to do a speech right quick. Put
let
it
me
on the news.
let
Let
me
me do
let
it
me
right
go
quick, right
live.
quick.
Let me go
Yeah, let me
live
go
right
live
quick.
right quick. Don't tell nobody though. Yeah, I had made a mistake earlier. I had logged in under another email, and when I went live, none of the settings was there or nothing. Like, and it said I was on a free account. I was like, hell no, but it done
He
took
said,
my
"Where my shit?"
bro for real. I was about to contact support and everything, but I was like, hold on, let me make sure I'm in the right
Oh,
email. I was like, come on, fam. I paid for the whole year. That's crazy, man. Great take profit area. So what y'all thinking for this week? What's your pick? What you thinking? What you thinking? You saw all this bearish move last week, Thursday and Friday. What you think if
Um,
I'm gonna pull up the weekly time frame so you can look
yeah,
at the
I'm
weekly.
not gonna lie to you.
You
That
think
right
you
there,
think we
that
go you think we go keep going down, or you think we about to bounce off of this line that we just hit and turn around and go up like you said?
I wanted to go down. I'm talking about like down, down, like
Yeah, I mean shit. Low key, like I said, this is the low of the
uh-huh.
year. This is January. This is the lowest the market been all year, which is also tapping into the lowest point from last year. December last year, that's the lowest point, which is the end of the year, which is
How
crazy.
far was that? December to what? December to January or
Yeah,
December to
December, like the
March?
the beginning of December is where it hit that low,
I mean,
and then it tapped it
eh,
into again at the end of January, turned around, and now it looks like we're trying to hit it. But like I said, I mean, I think we got to definitely break below this 7160 area and close on a large time frame. But what y'all think? Y'all think it's continuation? I mean, look, you see this candle right here? This candle, this green candle?
uh-huh.
That's what me and Jay was saying it could turn into this week. Like it could go all the way down. So this would be right here would go all the way down to like right up in here where it's at. Just like how
Hmm.
this one tapped there, and then turn around and make a candle like that. It could do that, or it could continue down, like you said.
That's the what's the name? That's the ham. What's the type the name of that candle right? The one
The
over
other
to the
one, this
left.
green one,
Yeah, yeah.
that's
I just heard the name of it on one of the videos I was
it's
looking
a
at.
this not really a pin bar because a pin bar is I think is no, it is a pin bar, but this is like a doji. But that's a they call them like I want to say a hanging man. Some call them a hammer, but
Yeah, there you go. I was about to say hammer or something like that.
yeah,
Hammer, yeah.
it's like a bullish, not engulfing hammer, but it's kind of almost like an inside bar, somewhat. But yeah, it's a lot of terms for that shit. Well, I just call them bitches either they full candles, pin bars, or dojis. That's what everything get classified as. Fucking like this right here is a doji, and
Hmm.
dojis is fucking indecision. Like the market didn't want to know if it want to go up or down, so it just stayed right in the middle. And you see a lot of them hoes just floating around. Like, I don't know what the fuck I want to do. Then this candle figured it out for them. Like, bitch, this what you want to do.
I mean, so this is the beginning of the week, and you already have this type of size of the on the weekly candle. That's
Right.
that's that's kind of crazy.
Cause it opened up all the way up here, 72.45, and we already tapping into this 72.75.
Correct.
That's a smooth 70 pips on Sunday. Is that
So
correct? Did the market open right up there
yeah,
on the
bro,
hourly,
that's
72.43?
that's crazy. So looking at that,
And we got news. remember we got a lot of news. Last week wasn't a lot of news, right? Am I correct?
Yes,
So that's
Yup.
gonna be a big influence.
I can see it turning around. Looking at the daily, there's a lot of um, you know, right now it can easily turn around from that area that it just hit. You know,
Hmm.
that Anthony take profit.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, and I think with all that volatility, I think the daily will do some kind of consolidation type of situation. I don't think it's gonna continue on this bearish pattern. I think it's gonna kind of hover around and then give us that bullish push that we was looking for after it create like a some kind of like little another low right here. It's gonna give a bullish push and maybe create that little hammer or pinball we was talking about. Cause other than that, if if all news is horrible, I guess for Australia and the market is just in favor for the more bullish continuation, then all that volatility will go push it all the way down to these lows. And it just might be enough to break these two lows from last year and this year.
yeah, the next daily candle, or hold on, let's see, we're getting
Because I
towards.
mean, if you think about it, we feel this traffic right here just now. So it's
We
like
did
now we get into a whole lot of crazy shit over here. So it got every right to turn around and feel this traffic that it did
right.
Thursday and
That's what
Friday.
I can see. That's what I can see happening. Um, yeah, I can easily see that happening because it would have to close below 71.60
Right up in here.
so it can fill those wicks. First take profit to be that 71.40,
Yep. And
and
then
then
70,
potential
90.
70.90. Yep. So it's
So you talking about filling
definitely
this wick
levels.
way over here on the daily, these old wicks,
Yeah.
filling them down here because market couldn't do it right here. It tried to in March, but it turned around.
Right. And that's like that'll have to take days for it to happen. And with that being said, you'll still have to look in the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, 15 minute for your entries, and that'll give you a better idea of.
Yeah, this
But
shit
yeah,
is
just the traffic
crazy.
that is being created right now. I'm looking for price to correct that, and we should be able to get some good buys this week. I really think so.
Yeah. Just gotta be patient and wait for something to get taken out.
Have to be patient, man. Like
Like wait for buys above here type shit. You're looking at the five
mhm.
minute, don't buy down here. Wait for some structure to be breaking. Like all
Yes,
this
yeah,
shit.
5 minutes. Yeah, I don't. I know you be stinking at 5 minute. I enter on a 15 minute. Look at the 1 hour, 1 hour for my entries,
Hmm.
and then I just I let them run. I let them run. Like I just can't. I'm looking forward, like you said, to where those testers will be 10,000, 100,000 unit testers. Like,
Come on,
come on,
bro.
come on.
Cause you used to putting on a million.
Yep. But that's coming. It's coming.
Well, shit. I think we about to wrap this one up, fellas.
Oh, that was nice. That was
I
really
think we got
nice.
a good idea what we're gonna be looking for this week.
Yeah, man. How y'all week looking? No, as far as I know we all got our schedules. Are y'all
Well,
pretty full?
my schedule is ever changing. I mean, I'm still in the studio periodically, but like I said, I've been helping a guy that I met like 5 years ago. He got a construction company, and we kind of touched bases again back when I came back out here to Dallas, and lo and behold, he needed a lot of help with certain properties, and they mostly out here in the colony and Plano and McKinney.
Mm,
Yeah.
So
okay.
there's some nice,
I'm gonna
nice
be off
properties.
evenings, more evenings. Still
Yeah,
about that 6-7 range.
Okay.
nah, facts. I'm getting up at 6 a.m. though. I'm on the markets in the
Ooh.
morning. It's just my this week was a shift for me because that's when we jumped in where I was waking up to help him.
Yeah.
So it was a shift. Like, yeah, boy, I ain't gonna lie. That first house we did, where I was on a 20-foot ladder. Well, I was on a taller ladder, but I was damn near 20, 25 feet up, painting the top trim of a house.
Oof.
Oh,
And I ain't
Yeah.
gonna lie, that was a low key kind of fear of mine. Like I ain't got like a
Being up
fear of
there.
heights really, but I just like being on a ladder though and that type shit. I was like, damn. So, but I did it. I overcame shit and I learned something new. Like today, I'm learning something new. So I'm soaking up a lot of games. So when a nigga do have that big ass crib,
Yeah, you do
I
that. You
won't have
do
to
it
call a
you could
yourself,
do
contractor.
bro.
I can
I'm
do
everything
it
telling you.
yourself.
myself. I
Yes,
could do it
Telling
myself. I
you.
could do a whole bathroom myself, fam.
really. Yeah,
So
that's where you make a lot of money in
and
real
that's what I'm
estate.
here for. Like, yeah, I'm just getting paid to get training, free. I'm learning and
No,
getting
that's
paid, and
dope.
I'm stacking that money and gonna throw it in the market. So everything is Gucci. This is just another hustle to get to that 25K. That's all I'm looking at it as, bro.
Yeah.
Real talk.
Nice. Oh,
So
that's what's up.
yeah, every dollar. So other than that, man, we just say ain't nothing really changed.
Okay.
Besides, if Anthony go on strike to get some more
Man,
money, ain't
look,
nothing.
that I was trying, bro. I was trying to get the bag for us, bro. I'm, I'm talking about
Man,
hundred
just give me
dollars
a
an
jet.
hour.
I want
You
the
know what I'm
old
saying?
school. I want the F-16 fighter jets, the one they don't make no more.
Hey, look, I'll get it for you. It ain't gonna be painted, but you know what I
I don't
mean.
want it painted. I
Look,
want that whole green, like
that
how they come
rugged,
out the.
yeah,
Yeah,
come
yeah,
fresh out of
yeah,
the.
fresh out the. Yeah, you already know.
Let's go. Yeah, that boy got just straight primer on there.
No facts, man. I remember. I missed that shit.
Yeah,
That shit was fun. But yeah, man, we gonna wrap it up, man.
y'all boys be safe.
Yes, sir. Always,
Oh,
man.
for sure, man. For sure, brother. As
Link up.
always.
Keep putting the info in the chat if y'all see something. I
Will
may
do.
match up something that y'all see. Even if it's a quick little boom, you see the numbers, just put XYZ in there. Because I
Bet,
still be looking all week.
bet,
Okay.
bet, bet, bet.
All right,
Yeah, and
y'all.
I'll be taking
Gotcha.
some screenshots. I'll throw up in there.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, my boy.
All right,
Y'all
man.
be
Y'all be
good.
easy. All right, man.
Peace.
Peace.